Thinking about buying a home in 2025? If you're considering an FHA loan, you need to know the latest requirements because they've changed, and understanding them can save you time, money, and headaches. So stick around because I'm going to break down everything you need to know to qualify and get your dream home faster. Okay, so what's an FHA loan? So your FHA loan is a government-backed mortgage for lower income, first-time buyers, and also repeat buyers. It has easier credit requirements and there's smaller down payments, which is typically only 3.5% down. It's insured by FHA, which stands for Federal Housing Administration, and that's where you get the initials. All right, let's talk about 2025 FHA loan requirements because these have been updated recently. So minimum credit score is typically around 580 with 3.5% down. You still can get in as low as all the way down to 500, but if you have a score between 500 and 579, you're gonna have to come up with 10% down. All right, so typically down payment 3.5%. Oh, by the way, that can be a gift from friends or family, okay? And when it comes to a thing called your debt to income ratio, typically these allow for higher ratios on the back end, which makes it more affordable for first time and repeat buyers. And your DTI can be up to 55%. So that's super flexible, and that's on a case by case basis. So property must be your primary residence, and they're going to check out your employment history, which needs to be stable for 2 years. And if you just got out of college, all we need to do is get a transcript of your graduation. FHA loan limits for 2025. All right, guys, this is regionally based. So FHA sets loan limits by county, and here's typically where the Midwest is setting right now. So on the East and West Coast, they're going to have higher limits, but again, here in the Midwest, it currently sets at a loan limit of $524,225. That's really important. Don't forget the $225. So 524, 225. Again, high cost areas have higher limits. So if you're in California, New York, Virginia, those are going to be different. And again, another point, we're licensed in 27 states. So just let us know and we can let you know what your limit is in the area that you're going to purchase. What FHA loans cover and what they do not. All right, it covers single family homes, some condos, and most 2 to 4 unit properties, so duplexes and fourplexes, right? Okay, doesn't allow any second homes. You can't use on investment properties. That would be amazing to buy an investment property, 3.5% down, but you can't. So no second homes, no investment properties, primary only. And here, you guys, is a major, one of my favorite house hacks, okay? You can use FHA as long as you live in one of the units as your primary residence. You can use this for buying multifamily property, and you can use this program again for duplexes, triplexes, and fourplexes. So if you want to start building on your wealth and investing, now is a great house hack to use FHA. All right, guys, so here's how to apply. Here's the step-by-step overview. Number one, we have to get you pre-approved. So go visit us at www.summitlendingusa.com, okay, summitlendingusa.com. You're gonna go up to the right-hand corner and you're gonna click on Apply Now. And within 24 hours, we're gonna run your credit. We're gonna figure out your debt to income ratios. And once we have you approved at that time, that's when the asks start coming. We start asking for your income, your assets, and again, we'll review your credit score. Once we have all that and you guys have a house under contract, boom, we're off and running. We will order the house appraisal for you. We'll get you finally approved and closing. And don't worry, in the future, we will set a time for you to come in and give us your DNA and your blood samples. Since we're asking for everything else, why not have a little humor in this? Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Hey, as always, like I say, we've been doing this for 20 years and we absolutely love help people getting into their new homes and especially first-time home buyers. So make sure to leave any comments, anything we can do to help, and also to get us to know us a little bit better, go check out our 5-star Google reviews.